Okay, so Metaverse gaming tokens defy recent market dip. The Metaverse themed gaming projects, Decentraland and the Sandbox. I'll tell you guys something very interesting about Sandbox, by the way. If any of you guys have ever stayed in the Venetian, they have the canal shops. I didn't get to do it. There's actually a VR gaming store. What do you call it? A gaming place you can go and get hooked up to VR.
Mhm.
It's called Sandbox. But
Oh,
I
yeah.
never asked, but I'm 99% sure that it has nothing to do with Sandbox Metaverse.
Hmm.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah, you sent me
Same
the
name.
picture of that.
Yeah, I sure did.
Yeah. It's interesting.
Yeah. Let's see. Those have bucked the crypto market trend, putting in double-digit gains while most other assets post substantial losses. And if you've been watching this channel, then you're probably in a good spot because we've been telling you to pay attention to this Metaverse stuff since before they popped off. Metaverse coins are outperforming the rest of the market. Decentraland and Sandbox have shown strength this week. Decentraland's Mana token is held strong above $3. Let's remind, is Nick Damandi in here?
Nope. It's just me and you.
It's just
the
I think
two of
we're
us.
alone now. I already did that bit this week.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to do a full Sandbox video on the release.
Can you tell Brian to tell Nick?
Brian, can you go grab Nick Damandi for me for a second? Thank you, sir. I want to tell him this live.
Okay.
We'll tell him live because we're leaving.
Yeah,
I might
that's
forget.
true.
Let's see. Sandbox, similar virtual metaverse, has done even better with Sand token taking its month-long rally. I told you guys for a long time, I believe Sandbox. Metaverse has DCG backing, which is, or Decentraland has DCG backing, Digital Currency Group, which does mean the price of the token is going to go up. Sandbox is going to be the #1 metaverse, I believe.
Here's a
he's at
fun
lunch. He's
fact. That land you were
There he
talking
is.
about, we're looking at buying next to our
he got it.
building that we have
You-
to pull money out for.
He got it. He copied and sent
Oh.
it to me. He said, I got it.
He
Good
got
work.
it. Perfect. Well, you did tell him live. You just didn't know it.
I didn't know it. Yeah, I want a full video on the launch of the game. That's what I want.
But one thing that was crazy to me the other day, I found out our land in Sandbox, same value as the 2 acres we're looking at buying on the side of a major highway here in real life. It's crazy.
insane.
It's
Yeah,
crazy.
it's crazy. And it's going to continue. Also, don't sleep on Blocktopia.
Yep.
MetaHero is another one that they reached out to us to maybe do a sponsored, segment on them. And I very rarely do this. We turn down. I want you guys to understand, like, there's like a lot of stuff out there about we do sponsor video. Of course, we tell you we do sponsor videos. We do sponsor segments. We tell you every single time in the history of this channel we've done one. But they reached out to us to do a project. We turned down 99.9% of projects that reach out to us. When MetaHero, another metaverse kind of NFT platform project, reached out to us, I immediately said yes. So that's one that you will see on this channel coming up soon. It's one I'm excited about to learn more about. I think that is going to be another one to watch. I know a little bit about it. We do know that, like I said before, Blocktopia is another one that we have some land in that we work with. Blocktopia coming on strong. It's going to be in that upper tier as well. What we do know right now is I would put Sandbox #1. I would put Decentraland #2.
Mm-hmm.
I would put everything else on tiers beneath those two.
Yeah.
I think the most likely to get on that top tier along with those is Blocktopia. MetaHero, I might change my mind after we dig a little bit deeper into that one. It could also be on that tier. But right now, I put those on a tier beneath those. You got a lot of more kind of speculative ones as well. So I'm very excited about this Metaverse stuff. The funny thing is, I ain't going to be playing in the Metaverse. Is there people that are like into gaming, and is something I'm interested in because I know the general population is interested. It's one of these things that me personally, like, I'd never see myself living in a Metaverse. Maybe I will.
Well,
for content. I will.
I think you're interested because it's the future and you're interested in where things are going.
That's exactly right.
We spend a lot of our time thinking about what things are going to look like 5 years, 8 years, 10 years down the road. And it's exciting. It's a lot of cool stuff getting built out there.
Here's an interesting, thank you, XR Paul. Appreciate that. Good luck this weekend. I do really enjoy hunting. I do. Always to feed the family, right? But the thing here is, this is a very interesting stat. Additionally, October is the first month the blockchain gaming made up the majority of DApp activity.
Mm.
Over 1.19 unique active wallets, 55% of all DApp activity. So very interesting.